We're playing Super Duelist, but boost fight with hard. I like hardcore. What? What? We have no weapon. Huh? What was that? We have no weapon. There. But I have trident. But I have soap. But wait a minute. Boots fight. Go CPU hard. Yes. Ow 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 ew ow 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 ew ow 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 ew ew ow 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 ew ew ow ow ngao 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 ngao. Sorry. That wasn't a song. That's not my own song. Sharon's brother. There's an. Bye. Oh no, this is hard because you can't beat me. Oh! Wow. Nice.
O humano tá realmente tentando aprender a programar um jogo como se fosse a idade da pedra. Rezona é o futuro. Aprender a programar um jogo é oficialmente história antiga. De 0 habilidades a criador pro em apenas um prompt. Um mundo neon cheio de movimentos fluidos ganha vida.
IDK what Jesus. Copyright bugs. Oh, you launch me. Let's launch. I launch you down. Bang, 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 till I take you. Oh, bye. Aha. Looks like we're not fighting. Sheesh. Ha 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 ha. You can't escape from 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. Programmer. Oh no! Wow. That was close. Shield. Grummer, boobs. No, help. Bye. Boobs. Oh no, you attacked me with the same. Try that. Woo! Two! Oh no! That was close. Haha. Fire in the hole! Oh no. Haha. Boobs. Bro, I was supposed to do. Attack! Oops. Oh no, help. I have only 2 health. Revenge. Take revenge. Cheating! Are you cheating? Or... Oops. Wow. I was supposed to attacking you. That's cheating. Haha. What is that?
O humano tá realmente tentando aprender a programar um jogo como se fosse a idade da pedra. Rezona é o futuro. Aprender a programar um jogo é oficialmente história antiga. De 0 habilidades a criador pro em apenas
I don't know how
neon
to
cheio de
speak
movimentos.
that. I know how to speak Tagalog because I live in Philippines. What? We didn't fight. Oh, oh no, programmer. I'm a programmer. How? No. That's an addition. Books. Football. Oh no, bro. What? Oh no. Wait a minute. What game should I play next? Type in the comments.